We'll guide you through how to use pistons in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Pistons have got many different uses and we'll be covering some of them in this video and also sort of the basics of them as well. So first of all, we need to go and craft our piston. So come to a crafting table, and what you're going to need are 3 planks, which you need to place at the top. Then you need 4 pieces of cobblestone. They go in the bottom left slots like so. And then at the bottom in the middle, you place a redstone dust, and in the middle, place an iron ingot. And that will give you just a piston. And there it is. Now, if you want blocks to go and stick, which we'll go and show you what that means in a moment, what you need to do is get a slime ball, which you can get from slime, and place that into the crafting table with the piston, and you'll get yourself a sticky piston. So now what you can then do is go and place them down. Here we have a normal piston and then a sticky piston. To go and use these, you need a redstone activator. So what these are is, for example, a button, a lever, a pressure plate. You get the idea. So here we have a lever. Then what we could do is place the lever next to the piston, and as you can see, it goes and activates it. To show you the difference between a normal piston and a sticky piston, place a block on top of it. So here we have a sticky piston. I'll then go and activate it and go and switch it back off, and it pulls the block back down. However, with the piston, if I go and activate it, it pushes it up, but it will not pull it back down, which is why sticky pistons can be useful. So as well as moving blocks like we just did here, what another use for pistons is for harvesting crops. So what you could do is go and place a piston like so, and then what we could do is go and activate it. Now what we can do here is you could actually set up something called an observer, which basically observes when the sugarcane grows, it then triggers the piston. We've got a full video on that, but here's another way we can go and activate the piston just through a lever. We'll push it and it'll then go and harvest the crop. You could then set up hoppers and go and collect it super efficiently. And so that's the basics of pistons. We hope you found this useful. If you did, please consider subscribing and liking the video for more.